Hi everyone, this is Lakbay Maria and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to fly to Cagayan de Oro to meet my long distance friend, Dorothy. Yun na ba, be? Lagpas na tayo. From Manila nga, nag-book lang ako ng direct flight to Laguindingan Airport. And something funny about this trip is it was planned like 3 weeks ago. So buti na lang nakascore ako ng good deal na plane ticket to Laguindingan or Cagayan de Oro for only 3,600 pesos. Back and forth na yon. And as you can see, I'm flying with Cebu Pacific. So, always check your tickets, guys. Compare nyo sa iba't ibang airlines. And this is my first time flying alone. So, good luck to me! Dumating ako ng Laguindingan Airport around 8:30 p.m. So, need ko pa antayin sila Dorothy kasi na-on na yung flight ko. Quick story lang, guys. So Dorothy's in CDO because she has to attend a convention or like a seminar. So we haven't seen each other like for the past 10 months. So she told me and asked if we could meet there. And guys, we're here at the hotel. Strong photo. Okay lang. Ay,
Thank you.
thank you po. So, andito na po kami sa Apple Tree Resort and Hotel with my LDR friend. Super late na. Anong oras na ba? 9:34 na. After namin mag-check-in, guys, dumiretso na rin kami sa hotel room namin. Later ko na ipapakita sa inyo yung amenities and yung itsura ng buong hotel and as well as yung room tour. And guys, di-dinner muna. Kasi 10 na rin. Hi! So, dahil almost 1 year nga kaming di nagkita, ayan, yung chika namin, almost 1 year worth din siya. So, si Dorothy nga pala, guys, nagkakilala kami first day of class nung college. So, we've been friends since then. Wow! After nga namin magkwentuhan ng dinner namin, nag-shower na din kami at natulog. Tuloy muna kami. Morning. Pagpasok ng room, sa left side nga pala yung toilet and bath nila. So, ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Turn on natin yung lights. So, meron silang toilet and bath. Kompleto naman sila with towels. So, ito yung mirror. And sink. So, paglabas nyo ng CR, nasa right side ng main door, yung cabinet nila. So, ayan, marami-rami siyang compartments na pwede kayong paglagyan and meron din silang hangers. Etong iron and yung iron table, available siya upon request. Pwede nyo siyang i-ask dun sa front desk or sa room service. Beside the cabinet. Meron sila ditong mini fridge and yung coffee nook nila. And they have TV, tables. Meron sila doon mirror and syempre yung bed. Actually, this room is good for 3 people already. Pero kami ni Dorothy, dalawa lang kami na nagstay. So, tag-isa lang kami ng bed. And almost all rooms nga pala dito sa Apple Tree has terrace. So, yung amin, meron kaming full front view. Ayan, medyo maulan nung morning na to na nag-video ako. So, ayan, meron din tables dito and something na pwede ka mag-hang ng clothes mo. Our breakfast here. I got 2 eggs and 2 of these like mini cake slice and fish fillet, hot dog, pancake, and veggies. And my juice is like lemon or apple iced tea. I'm not sure. And she has watermelon, fish fillet, hot dog, and rice. After breakfast nga pala, Dorothy has to attend her seminar and ako naman, I waited for her sa hotel na lang. And when she came back, we get ready for our museum date. Cagayan de Oro City pala guys is also known to be the city of golden friendship. So full of smiles and hospitality daw dito. So looking forward kami makamit ng mga Cagayanons. Okay guys, ayan. We're ready for today. Nakabla kami, super init sa labas. Wow! Nag-grab nga lang kami. Pupunta ng Seda Hotel kasi may need i-drop si Dorothy dun sa isang kasamahan niya. And then, nag-grab lang kami ulit papunta ng City Museum. Take note nga pala guys, yung Apple Tree Resort and Hotel, mga 20 to 30 minutes pa siya away from Cagayan de Oro City. So we usually take or ride a grab going there. Hi guys! So ito na yung first stop namin. Nandito kami sa City Museum. So ayan. Ano siya dati be?
Cagayan Waterworks tank.
Oh! So, Cagayan Waterworks tank yan siya dati. So, parang sarado siya pero check natin sa loob kung pwede kami pumasok. Baka dyan makatok. Yan ata. Pagpasok nyo, need nyo mag-register. Wow! siya. Saan siya gawa? Gold. And parang may mga faces. So, hala, oo nga. Faces siya. Wow. Pieces of history. Ito yung pag-collect ng gold. And that's gold. Obsidian. I guess. Kasi nasa labas lang siya. Who are these? Oh, designed by Juan Juna. A lot of different stuff. Yeah. So, ito yung itsura ng waterworks tank before. During the American. I guess that's it, guys. So, ayan siya. That's our tour for the City Museum of Cagayan de Oro. Ang next stop natin is yung St. Augustine Church. So, from the City Museum, ayun lang yung St. Augustine Church, guys. Sin katabi lang. Ayun pala guys, if ever pupunta kayo ng bagong place, make sure na makakapagsimba kayo dun sa nearest church na pwede nyong mapuntahan. And ask guidance and protection, syempre. Ayun guys, may dalawang museum pa dapat kami napupuntahan. Pero sarado siya ngayon. Yung isa, dahil merong bar exam sa Ateneo na part, yung Museo de Oro is closed. And yung Museum of Street Culture naman, I'm not sure kung bakit siya closed. Picture tayo. Sa video yan. Ayan guys, so here na sa Gaston Park. So Gaston Park is actually like beside lang ng church. Kaya nga eh. Ayan guys, so Dorothy will try their rambutan.
At ito, ang katamtaman lang.
Yung hinog na. Tamis be? Dikit? Kaya ayoko rin muna kumain pa eh. Parang nasa recto lang kami. And finally, we're here na sa Kusina Higala. Ito nga palang Kusina Higala guys ay narecommend lang din sa amin ng isang Grab driver na nasakyan namin. For me, yung overall rating ko siguro dito sa restaurant is 9.5 out of 10. Bakit hindi 10? Kasi I was looking for more drinks option. So ayan guys, nandito yung food namin. Ang in-order nga pala namin, first stop is yung beef rendang nila. Wow! have, ano to be? Surot chicken? Surot chicken. Tapos may coconut milk siya. And ito nga pala yung dessert namin. Yung kanilang sizzling binaki with caramel. Oh. Wow. Thank you. At ito pala yung CR nila guys. Sobrang ganda. At ang laki-laki ng mirror nila dito. Super nice for fit check. And ito yung faucet nila or yung sink nila. You can wash your hands there. And super daming like mga mini mirrors and kung ano-anong style ng CR nila. Super ganda. Ayan, so after namin mag-dinner, dumiretso kami dito sa SM via Grab ulit, syempre. At nagpabudol na nga po kami sa pen shop. Kailangan daw po kasi ni Dorothy ng jacket. Wala siyang dala. And syempre, Watsons para sa mga other needs namin. Hi guys! So, nakapag-wash up na kami. Ayan. Ready na mag-sleep. Kasi ako, maaga pa ako bukas for my Camiguin tour. So, alis ako dito sa hotel ng mga 3 a.m. So, abangan ninyo yung Camiguin tour ko on a different video. And this is the end of the part 1 of my Northern Mindanao tour. So to be updated for my Camiguin and Bukidnon tour, you may hit the notification bell. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.